In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create company projects in Basecamp. Company projects are a great way to organize internal work, manage team collaboration, and keep important information accessible in one place. Let's get started. First, log into Basecamp and go to your main dashboard. From there, click the Create New Project button. This is where you'll begin setting up a dedicated workspace for your company initiative, department, or internal team. Next, enter a project name that clearly identifies its purpose. For example, you might create a project for human resources, marketing operations, company planning, or internal communications. A clear name helps team members quickly find the right workspace. After naming the project, add a short description explaining what the project is for. This gives everyone immediate context and helps keep the project focused on its goals. Now, choose the people who should have access to the project. Invite team members, managers, or departments that need to participate. Be sure to include only the relevant people so communication stays organized. Once the project is created, set up the essential tools. Create to-do lists for tasks, use the message board for announcements, add important dates to the schedule, and upload documents to docs and files. These tools form the foundation of an effective company project. Before finishing, take a few minutes to organize folders, task lists, and project information so everyone knows where to find what they need from day one. And that's it. You've successfully created a company project in Basecamp. With a well-structured project, your team can collaborate more effectively, stay aligned on priorities, and keep company work organized in one central location.